What up? Jeff here with all my Bitcoin renegades. And tonight we're going to be talking about Ethereum because somehow in the midst of Bitcoin blasting off, everybody kind of overlooked Ethereum a little bit, or people just aren't talking about it as much. Well, guess what? It is up 9% today, and it is literally less than $200 away from an all-time high. Like 180 some dollars close to an all-time high. Look at this, guys. I mean, look at the year, and we're inching closer. So the all-time high is 4,384.43. And we're sitting at 4,204 right now. Inches, little inches away from an all-time high. Now let's look at the all chart. Look at that one. Oh my goodness, that really puts it into perspective. We're literally millimeters away on that one. It looks beautiful. We could see all-time highs with Ethereum, especially with Bitcoin just seeing its all-time highs. All the money is FOMOing into the market everywhere. And the money overflows and trickles out of Bitcoin. When people FOMO into Bitcoin, they also FOMO into these other coins as well. And a lot of people that don't know about it, as you know, Bitcoin and cryptocurrency is still being adopted, people hear about Bitcoin going to all-time highs, and they kind of think, well, Bitcoin's too much. Is that 60,000? I can't afford that. Even though you really can, because you don't have to buy a full Bitcoin, as most of you already know watching this, but some of you don't. You can buy portions of a Bitcoin called Satoshis. And so you can buy anywhere from probably $10 to billions in Bitcoin. So that is amazing. Ethereum is blasting off. A lot of the money trickles out of Bitcoin into these other altcoins, especially the biggest altcoin, Ethereum, of course, right? So this is just the best time to be in crypto right now. Everything is a good buy. Everything that we bought in the bear market and even in this bull market leading to now is all in the profit. I'm pretty sure almost every single person watching this is in the profit. So congratulations, guys. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Like this video if you want to see me make more content about Ethereum and about crypto that is inching closer to those all-time highs. Because over the course of the next month or so, I'll probably be doing a lot of videos about cryptos going and surpassing all-time highs or close to all-time highs, and then surpassing them. I'm going to try to get them before they go to the all-time highs, watch it go to the all-time high, and then see where it ends up. I think this is fun. How about you guys? This is the best time to be in crypto. I'm happy. I'm making money. Everybody's making money. The markets are healthy. You know, there's a lot of money in the world. And as I made a video earlier today about Bitcoin just became the 13th biggest currency by market cap in the entire world. So it doesn't mean like all the stock exchanges and stuff like that, just the currencies like the US dollar, the Chinese JUAN, the yuan, whatever you want to call it. Those are the top two, and Bitcoin actually overtook the CHF, which is the Swiss franc, for a little while, when it reached its almost $67,000 peak earlier today. I will go in and show you that so you can see earlier it did reach that peak. And so at that point, it was number 13 in all of the currencies in the world. Right now, we are back down. We are dropping a little bit right now to 64,000, but now all of the altcoins are going to pump, guys. See, this is why I actually took my profits at 63. I wasn't sure if we were really going to moonshot to 100,000. That's what I was telling everybody. I want it to. I still think it could, but I'm not going to be arrogant and lose out and hold all the way through this pump right here. And if this is it, guys, what? So I'm not saying this is. We could go to 100,000 still, but I mitigated my losses. So yeah, it did pump to 67. I probably would have gained about 200 more bucks, 300 more bucks, 400 more. Yeah, probably about 400 more bucks, somewhere around there, which is, you know, that's 400 more bucks in profit, but still, I mitigated losses. I still have, half of my Bitcoin. So, which is worth about what the, amount that I sold. So things are still looking good there. But Ethereum, it's going to start pumping now. A lot of the money is going into altcoins. And as you see, the graph is pumping. Like, look at all of the altcoins pumping. Yeah, we're talking about Ethereum, but look, the market's super healthy right now. OXT has been pumping for a long time. So now it's kind of sitting even at a high 50 cents. So, but look, VeChain's pumping, Neo, everything is starting to pump now. A lot of the money is starting to go back into altcoins and Ethereum. And Ethereum, I think, is going to make a run for an all-time high in about 5,000. That was my price projection for the inverse head and shoulders pattern, was right around 4,800 to 5,000 US dollars. So that's going to be pretty cool. Look at synthetics, it's up. A lot of DeFi projects are up right now. Polygon is starting to climb again. Elrond, Aave, of course, more DeFi, Nano, all of them are, the market's healthy, guys. Look at this. It's a good day to be in crypto. And look at this. Litecoin is starting to move. I know a few of my subscribers like Litecoin. I don't understand 100% why. More people don't like it, and I don't understand the taboo around it, but I've held a lot of Litecoin over time. So I think it's doing pretty well right now. It just spiked up to 214. So like I said, all crypto is doing good. Bitcoin is resetting right now. I don't think this is the end of the bull market for Bitcoin. I think this is just a reset, and we could possibly even go down and touch the all-time high before. We just did that. And that should be our support level, the all-time high. Hopefully we keep the all-time high as our support level. If that is the case, then we will continue upwards, hopefully towards about 70,000. Now let's get back into the one that counts for this video, Ethereum. When are we going to an all-time high, guys? This is the question. This is what I want to answer for you during this video. All-time high, Ethereum. Let's look at the year, because I kind of like that one. Look at it. It looks like a cup and handle, kind of. Looks like a little bit of cup and handle right there. So, yeah, pretty cool. Let's see. So we're sitting at 41. A lot of the money is going to come rushing in, especially you see Bitcoin's going down, but Ethereum is not really suffering too bad. It has gone down about 50 bucks. You can see it is resetting a little bit in the last hour, but we're kind of still above where we were an hour ago. We tried to make a pump for it and we didn't, but it will come again. There's going to be more pumps coming into Ethereum and all of these other altcoins. So be ready for an Ethereum all-time high. And I would say, what is today? Wednesday, right? I would say by Friday or even next Monday at the latest, we will see an all-time high with Ethereum. But it's looking like it's going to happen really soon, either tonight or in the next few days or so. So definitely something to keep an eye on. When Ethereum, 2 comes out and they move from proof of work to proof of stake, it is going to be the biggest rally I think that Ethereum has ever seen, and we're gonna go to like maybe $10,000 or $20,000, and it will basically carry Bitcoin up at that time as well. So they need to be strategic. If they push out at 2.0 at the wrong time or too soon, it could not do as much health or as much solidifying, let's say that. It will solidify. The way that I had worded that made it hard to say anything, but it will solidify cryptocurrency at a higher rate, because things are looking positive right now for Ethereum. All-time high, I could even say by Friday, even tonight, we could wake up in the morning and we could see an all-time high. Just one pump. That's all it takes to go up 200 bucks. One little massive influx of money into Ethereum and we have an all-time high. So actually, Friday is the most likely target, but it could happen overnight. Like I said, any next pump. So even before Friday sounds better. So guys, I'm thinking in the next couple days, or even, by morning. I don't want to get your hopes too up. This is not financial advice, entertainment purposes only, common sense, but we have to be realistic. Look where we're at. I don't think we come and we kiss the all-time high. And yeah, look at that. We are having a massive week. With Ethereum, it just really, really pumped. Today was the big pump we had with Ethereum. So yeah, things are just looking amazing. I love the way the charts are looking, especially the year and the all-time. Ethereum to the moon, guys. We're literally about $190 away right there. Now it's like basically $200. Booyah, booyah, booyah. So it's nothing. It's a stone's throw away. And we're gonna, test that. We're gonna definitely see if we can break that. And where to from there? I'm thinking 48 to 5,000. That's my breakout price target, guys. And it looks like it's been happening. The inverse head and shoulders that I called has broke out. And the price target, like I said, is 48 to 5,000. So we'll see if it hits. It did with Bitcoin. Almost right to my price target. It hit on Bitcoin. It did stop short of it a little bit. But I had a couple different price targets from a couple different inverse head and shoulders. So some of them said 67,000, which is what it hit exactly. And some of them said 68. Some of them said 70,000. But the main one, I think, said 68.5. The main inverse head and shoulders that I saw that was actually the one that I think that broke out. And for Ethereum, there was one main one with that as well. You can kind of see it right here. This is the shoulder, this is the head, and this is the shoulder right here. And we have the obvious neckline breakout. And so its price target is right around that $5,000 range. So we're going for all-time highs. Now, when is this going to happen? It should have, skyrocketed all the way up there, in my opinion. No. But like I said, tonight it could happen, or by the latest Friday. If we somehow do not reach that, I just don't see that happening. I see all-time highs, guys. This is the season, right? If it's not going to happen now, it's never going to happen, and it's always going to happen. We're making it. We're doing big things, guys. This is amazing. I just want you guys to just reflect on everything that has happened in crypto lately and just be in the moment. You're not always going to make profits, but if you're sitting in the profits, be happy. Celebrate, do something nice for someone that you love or care about, guys, because that's what we do when we make money. All right, guys, that being said, you know what time it is. Goodbye and good Bitcoin. Bang!